another Lego set. Not game, but a Lego set. And
yeah, and this time...
it's a Freddy one, not just a random guy.
And this time it's FNAF 4.
Yeah, it's from the Nightmares. And this my brother has Nightmare Chica.
And Nightmare Freddy.
But not Nightmare Foxy. But he has two.
Nightmare.
Oh,
and
yeah.
BB and
yeah,
the
he has 4.
But I do not have them.
The Fredders. Yeah, the Fredders.
I do not have Nightmare Mango, Nightmare Foxy. That's why we're going to be unboxing.
Yeah, no Nightmare Foxy. But I have Nightmare Bonnie with the clock.
And this one is called
the back.
Nightmare Bonnie with grandfather's clock. It says Nightmare Bonnie with the grandfather's clock. So now let's get
right there.
Okay, now let's get unboxing, Ryan.
Okay.
Here, do you want me to cut it?
No. And here we have the figure, Nightmare Bonnie.
Tell them all about it. So
Nightmare Bonnie has a broken belly. Well, I think it's his belly. Chester belly.
Probably with wires in it because I have a he's
breaking his leg.
His eyes are like really like bony again. He's damaged and he has sharp teeth.
This is what it looks like.
And he has a bow tie. And now let's get the Legos out. Yeah, get the Legos out. Can't do it.
Wow. Yeah, it's kind of.
How about with screw rag?
And if you want to see my Freddy house, that will be at the end of the video.
So this guy is detailed with him. He has an
Dad said you're here to help Mike, so you can
help him. He has an endoskeleton egg.
Sorry, Mike.
It's okay. Any more to build it?
I can build it. I want to get a head start, I believe. But yeah, today we were good because our mom sold 2 incredible sets, and my brother got you say Mike, did you?
I got Willow Freddy.
Yeah, and he's on the box too.
If you just saw Willow
Freddy,
if you saw Willow Freddy,
if you just seen this video, that was Withered Freddy, not anyone else but Withered Freddy. And the last one is Phantom BB.
Probably we get that one next time, but I know which one.
Maybe I'll get it, or maybe he'll get it.
Okay, let's start getting built. So where's the instructions?
And it better have came with it.
Here's the instructions.
So how do we start?
Oh, this is the clock. Oh, wait, what?
Wait,
it's shaking me.
Where the stickers?
Whatever.
Oh, my head upside down.
Friday the day and peel. Now I'm gonna find the stickers.
Oh,
and here, wow. I thought this was a sticker. Wow. Okay, so let's
yeah, I thought they were being weirdos and did not even come with no.
Okay.
Not scissors. Stitches.
Okay.
We always go on freaking walks. Hey, where's Nightmare Bonnie? Here you are.
Yeah, you can tell them.
And this is my first one. If I'm good, I might even earn Toy Freddy because I can also break all his pieces and make a video of that. If comment down below, and if you want to write it or say, hey, if your mom let you have Toy Freddy, you make a video. You can tag that to our parents because right now this is my first one. So whatever you want to say, if my mom, and we also had Shadow Freddy. No, I'm sorry.
Willow.
Yeah, Wither Freddy.
This is because
wait, no. We had Shadow Toy Bonnie and Phantom BB
and Nightmare Chica.
Yeah, Nightmare Chica. But my brother already has Nightmare Chica. So
I don't need
to do a duplicate of it. He probably didn't even do a video, but maybe at the end of a video he might show you her. But it's the same, Nightmare Bonnie.
It says not even like completed.
Wait, can I have that? Does it come like Hold on, I know.
Okay. No.
And now let's put the sticker on.
No, it's not. It doesn't say it.
Oh yeah, it doesn't say that. Oh, on the 2nd it is.
It's on the 8th.
Oh,
so
you put it on.
Yep.
This.
and then it probably goes right here. I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay, do you want to help you?
I knew that was gonna be sticker. Yeah, let me do it, Ryan.
Oh, I can do it.
Ryan's gonna try to figure it out. Okay, he did it. Boom, Ryan, good job.
Yeah, I did good. I haven't did that in years. Jeez. I'm good today.
I didn't say this is my video.
This was short. So we
Even mine was a little short also.
Yeah, so we'll
Mine
show
was
you.
like 7 minutes.
If we have time, we can show you a few more of our Lego sets. That
Mine was
I don't even have any. This was my first one. So my
Ryan
brother, he can show you a lot that he has. And then I'm going.
So Ryan, these were Ryan's first characters. He had Nightmare, Phantom Freddy, but then we had to return them to the store.
And this is
because
what he looks like.
Yeah, that's what Nightmare Bonnie looks
Well,
like.
in the instructions, it put his hand like.
Oh, it goes like this. That's wrong. Oh no. Darn it. I didn't know this was grandfather's clock.
But it's still fine. It was like
Now here
walked
goes.
around.
Okay, so
That's him.
here's a clock that goes ding, 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 and probably this is the
Yeah,
dad's clock.
our grandma, she passed away. It was sad.
And probably she had a clock
But she
also.
had a clock like that. It was hanging up.
And
it was
mine-
that high up in there till my finger goes down. Okay, my finger went down. It was that high. It was really high. It wasn't on the roof. You know that. Oh, people subscribe.
Oh, he even.
Oh
has
yeah,
a name.
and if you like this video, see, look. If you can see them. Aw, why did it shut it?
Okay, Ryan.
Can you see
Subscribe.
And they also had, we also had Funtime Freddy and Funtime Fox.
Subscribe. Leave it in the comments down below if you liked this video. And bye.
Ah!